When addressing a blown starter coil on a 4160-volt motor starter, several factors need consideration before deciding whether to search for a replacement or have the coil duplicated by a motor rewind shop. Firstly, assess the availability of a replacement coil. Given the 33-year age and manufacturer, finding an exact match may be challenging. Contact Cutler Hammer, now Eaton, to inquire about remaining inventory or recommended sources for a replacement. Secondly, consider the cost. Obtain quotes for a new starter coil and its installation. Compare this to the cost of having the existing coil duplicated, including labor. Thirdly, evaluate the age and condition of the starter. A 33-year-old starter may have other components nearing the end of their lifespan. Repairing only the coil might offer a temporary solution. If the starter shows other signs of age or deterioration, a complete replacement may be a more prudent long-term investment, even if a coil replacement is possible. Fourthly, confirm the capabilities of local motor rewind shops. Ensure they possess the expertise and equipment to duplicate a coil for a 4160-volt motor starter. Reach out to reputable shops, inquiring about their ability to duplicate the coil and obtain quotes for both the coil and installation. Weigh the options by comparing the cost and availability of a new coil with the cost and turnaround time of having the coil duplicated. If a new coil is readily available at a reasonable cost, replacing it might be the better option, extending the starter's life. However, if a new coil is unavailable or prohibitively expensive, having the coil duplicated might be more cost-effective. Decision-making should involve a thorough evaluation of these factors. Consider the long-term reliability and potential downtime associated with each option. A comprehensive assessment will guide the decision-making process, ensuring the most appropriate and cost-effective solution for the specific situation. Replacing the entire starter should be a strong consideration due to the age of the unit. It might be more beneficial to upgrade to a more modern motor starter. This is especially true if replacement coils or components are hard to find. Replacing the entire unit can increase system reliability and reduce future downtime. When contacting Cutler Hammer, now Eaton, provide the motor starter's model and serial number. This information will help them determine if a replacement coil is available or if they can provide a suitable alternative. Contact multiple local motor rewind shops to get several quotes for duplicating the coil. Ask for references and check their qualifications to ensure they have experience working with high-voltage motor starters. Inquire about the materials and techniques they use to duplicate the coil, ensuring they meet or exceed the original specifications. When weighing the options, consider the potential downtime associated with each scenario. Replacing the coil might be quicker if a new one is readily available, whereas duplicating the coil might take longer depending on the shop's workload and capabilities. Factor in the cost of downtime, including lost production and potential financial penalties when making the decision. When evaluating the age and condition of the starter, look for signs of corrosion, insulation breakdown, and mechanical wear. Check the contacts, wiring, and other components for damage or deterioration. If there are multiple issues with the starter, replacing it might be the most cost-effective solution in the long run. Upgrading to a new motor starter can provide several benefits, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced protection features, and increased reliability. New starters often incorporate advanced technologies such as solid-state overload relays and communication capabilities, allowing for better monitoring and control of the motor. This can lead to reduced energy consumption, improved motor performance, and increased overall system efficiency. When selecting a new motor starter, ensure it is compatible with the existing motor and electrical system. Consider factors such as the motor's horsepower, voltage, and current requirements, as well as the available space and mounting configuration. Consult with a qualified electrical engineer or contractor to ensure the new starter is properly sized and installed. Obtain detailed quotes from multiple vendors for both replacement coils and complete motor starters. Compare the costs, features, and warranties offered by each vendor to make an informed decision. Factor in the long-term cost of ownership. including maintenance, repairs, and energy consumption, when evaluating the different options. Consider the potential for future expansion or upgrades when selecting a new motor starter. Choose a starter that can accommodate future increases in motor size or changes in system requirements. This will help avoid the need for costly replacements or modifications down the road. Document all decisions and actions taken, including quotes, invoices, and communication records. This will provide a valuable reference for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Keep a log of any repairs or modifications made to the motor starter, including dates, descriptions of the work performed, and parts used. This will help track the starter's performance and identify potential issues before they become major problems. Implement a regular maintenance program for the motor starter, including periodic inspections, cleaning, and testing. This will help ensure the starter operates reliably and efficiently and can extend its lifespan. Train personnel on the proper operation and maintenance of the motor starter. This will help prevent accidental damage or misuse and ensure that any issues are addressed promptly and effectively. Consider the environmental impact of the different options when making a decision. Choose a replacement coil or motor starter that is energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Dispose of any old or damaged components properly, following all applicable regulations and guidelines. Explore the possibility of retrofitting the existing motor starter with a new coil and other components. This can be a cost-effective way to extend the life of the starter and improve its performance. However, ensure that the retrofit is performed by a qualified technician and that all components are compatible with the existing system. Investigate the availability of government incentives or rebates for upgrading to a new energy-efficient motor starter. This can help offset the cost of the upgrade and make it more financially attractive. Consider the impact of the decision on the overall reliability and performance of the chiller system. A malfunctioning motor starter can cause the entire chiller to shut down, leading to significant disruptions and costs. Choose the option that will minimize the risk of downtime and ensure the reliable operation of the system. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential hazards associated with the motor starter and take steps to mitigate those risks. This may include installing safety devices, implementing lockout/tagout procedures, and providing adequate training to personnel. Continuously monitor the performance of the motor starter and track any trends or anomalies. This will help identify potential problems early on and prevent them from escalating into major failures. Use data analytics to identify opportunities for optimizing the operation and maintenance of the motor starter and improving overall system performance. Consider the potential for using predictive maintenance techniques to anticipate and prevent failures before they occur. This can help reduce downtime and maintenance costs and improve the overall reliability of the system. Consult with industry experts and peers to gather insights and best practices for maintaining and upgrading motor starters. This can help make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Stay up to date on the latest technologies and trends in motor starter design and maintenance. This will help identify opportunities for improving the performance and reliability of the system. Consider the use of remote monitoring and control systems for the motor starter. This can allow for real-time monitoring of the starter's performance and remote control of its operation, improving efficiency and responsiveness. Implement a robust cybersecurity program to protect the motor starter and its associated control systems from cyber attacks. This is especially important for starters that are connected to the internet or other networks. Ensure that all maintenance and repair work is performed by qualified and licensed electricians. This will help ensure that the work is done safely and correctly, and that the motor starter operates reliably. Maintain a comprehensive inventory of spare parts for the motor starter. This will help reduce downtime in the event of a failure. Consider the use of condition monitoring sensors to detect early signs of wear or damage to the motor starter. This can help prevent failures and extend the life of the starter. Implement a system for tracking the energy consumption of the motor starter. This can help identify opportunities for reducing energy waste and improving efficiency. Consider the use of variable frequency drives to control the speed of the motor. This can help reduce energy consumption and improve the performance of the system. Implement a power quality monitoring program to ensure that the motor starter is receiving clean and stable power. This can help prevent damage to the starter and improve its reliability. Consider the use of surge protection devices to protect the motor starter from voltage spikes. This can help prevent damage to the starter and extend its life. Implement a grounding and bonding program to ensure that the motor starter is properly grounded and bonded. This can help prevent electrical shock hazards and improve the reliability of the system. Consider the use of arc flash protection devices to protect personnel from arc flash hazards. This can help prevent serious injuries or fatalities. Implement a safety program to ensure that all work on the motor starter is performed safely and in accordance with applicable regulations and standards. This includes providing adequate training, using appropriate personal protective equipment, and following safe work procedures. Maintain a culture of safety throughout the organization and encourage employees to report any safety concerns. This will help prevent accidents and injuries and ensure that the motor starter is operated and maintained safely.